Namaste all of you. We do some more examples in trigonometrical functions. Today's example is integration of 1 plus cos 4x by cot x minus tan x dx. It's a very simple problem. You know 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Now, if you observe the numerator, 1 plus cos 2 times 2 theta, I am just writing for you to understand. 1 plus cos 2 times 2x by cot x, I am writing as cos x by sin x minus sin x by cos x dx. Now, if you apply the identity, this identity 1 plus cos 2 theta form, then I can reduce it in the form of 2 cos square 2x by, I am taking the LCM of this, cos x sin x, that is sin x cos x here, okay. So cos square x minus sin square x dx. Again, one more step for your understanding. Integration of 2 cos square 2x into sin x cos x, the denominator is a fraction, gets reciprocated. So cos square x minus sin square x dx. Okay. Now what is cos square theta minus sin square theta? Is nothing but cos 2 theta. So that is equal to integration of 2 cos square 2x sin x cos x by cos square x minus sin square x can be written as cos 2x dx. Cos 2x get cancelled, so you are left out with cos 2x into 2 sin x cos x. I have shifted the 2 this side, that's all. I just shifted the 2 this side. Now, if you look at this, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So, taking into consideration of that, if you look at this, is equal to integration of cos 2x. This structure I can write it as sin 2x dx. Multiplying and dividing with 2. 2 sin 2x cos 2x. So it looks like the structure of this again. I can write it as half integration of sin x form is 2x, so 2 times of 2x is 4x dx. Now you can write the integration of this. What is integration of sin theta? Minus cos theta. So minus cos 4x by 4 plus c becomes minus cos 4x by 8 plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right? Let me give you a structure for you. Integration of sin mx sine nx dx. Now if this structure is there, then you can write it as half times sine m minus nx by m minus n minus sine m plus nx by m plus n plus c. If you remember this, we can directly do the problem by using that. I can give you an example to support that. Integration of sine 5x sine 3x dx. This problem looks like this structure. So what is the answer? Directly answer you can write. But what is the thing is, when you are writing the answer, you have to quote this structure and write the answer. Otherwise, you will not be given marks. Sine 5x minus 3x x times, okay, 5 minus 3 times 5x minus 3x by 5 minus 3 minus sine 5x plus 3x by 5 plus 3 plus c. So the output is 1 by 2 times sine 2x by 2 minus sine 8x by 8 plus c. Example, if integration of 1 plus sine x dx is equal to tan of x by 2 plus a plus b. Find the values of a and b. So I'm just taking like this. Integration of dx by 1 plus sine x is equal to integration of dx by 1 plus this sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Shall I replace this? Yes. So when I replace this, cos 90 I am writing as pi by 2 minus x. This I am just changing it. Integration of dx by 1 plus cos x minus pi by 2. See, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta only. So I am taking this advantage of changing the direction of pi by 2 minus x is equal to x minus pi by 2. Now 1 plus cos x structure. What is that? 1 plus cos 2 theta form is equal to 2 cos square theta. Isn't it? So we have this structure in the denominator. But here, instead of 2 theta, cos theta is there. So if I write that in the form 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, it will become half of it. So as per that, if I look at the structure of changing into this form, so I can write this as a dx by 2 cos square x by 2 minus pi by 4. The angle got divided by 2, so x by 2, pi by 2 by 2 is pi by 4. This is equal to half times 1 by cos square x, we can write it as secant square x. Secant square x by 2 minus pi by 4 dx. What is integration of secant square x? Is tan x. So I can write it directly, half times tan x here is x by 2 minus pi by 4. As it is not simply x by 2, that multiplicand will get divided. So 1 by 2 gets divided. Plus c. Now this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 get cancelled. We are left out with tan x by 2 minus pi by 4 plus c. But according to problem, he gave some comparison. Okay, so we can write it comparing with tan x by 2 minus pi by 4 plus c is equal to tan x by 2 plus a plus b. What is in the a place? Minus pi by 4. What is in the b place? C. So a is equal to minus pi by 4. B is equal to C. Hope you have understood this problem, right? The next concept is integration by substitution. Integration by substitution method. We'll take an example. Integration of ax plus b whole cube dx. See, I have taken a very simple example to make you to understand how we substitute this. Okay. Now, in the substitution process, instead of x, if any big compound is there, that we consider as t. Let ax plus b is equal to t. Now, when you are replacing by t, that entire integration has to be converted into dt form. So to do so, I am differentiating with respect to t. Diff WRT t. See, not necessary to write every time, but for the first time, so I am writing it. So a, wherever dx is there, so you write dx is equal to dt. A dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to 1 by a dt. Hope you have understood up to this step. Okay. Now I am substituting this. When I substitute this, integration of, instead of ax plus b, I am writing as t whole cube. Now dx is 1 by a dt. Now 1 by a is a constant, so I can take it outside. When I take it outside, I write here 1 by a times integration of t cube dt. Now it is in the simple structure x cube dx form is same as t cube dt. Now what is integration of t cube dt? We can write it as t to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. But what is t according to our problem? Ax plus b. So I can write this as 1 by 4a ax plus b to the power of 4 plus c. One more example. Integration of 1 by under root of 7 minus 2x dx. Let 7 minus 2x is equal to t. Now on differentiating, minus 2 dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. Now I am replacing all these things in the problem. Now when I replace that, integration of 1 by under root of t into minus 1 by 2 dt. So this minus 1 by 2 can come out integration of t to the power of minus 1 by 2 I can write it. Now what is integration of t to the power of minus 1 by 2? You can take write in the standard form minus 1 by 2 times t to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 t to the power of 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 cancels. Let's see, is equal to minus, what is t here? 7 minus 2x. Root form is there. So root of 7 minus 2x plus c. One more example. Integration of tan square 2x minus 3 dx. Now let 2x minus 3 is equal to t. 2 dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt by 2. So as per this, when I substitute integration of tan square t dt by 2. So this 2 can be taken out. Integration of tan square, we don't have tan square theta, we don't have direct integration. So I'm writing tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. I'm writing this. Secant square t minus 1, taking half outside dt. Now, on applying the integration, secant square t, integration of secant square t is tan t. Integration of 1 is t plus c. Now replace t with 2x minus 1, so we'll get half times tan 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 plus c. Example, integration of x cube sine x to the power of 4 dx. It's a compound form, so what I'm doing, I'm taking it x to the power of 4 is equal to t, implies differentiation of it 4x cube dx is equal to dt. So you can replace dx as dt by 4x cube. 4x cube. So that implies what? Why, when you replace it, integration of x cube sine t into dt by 4x cube. So x cube get cancelled. Now this is equal to 1 by 4 I can take out outside, then sine t dt. Now what is integration of sine t is minus cos t plus c. Now what is t? We have replaced it as by, instead of t we can replace it as x to the power of 4. So minus cos x to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. The next problem, example, integration of cosecant square sin x cos x dx. Now here in this problem, instead of x, sin x is there, so I can take that as t. Let sin x is equal to t, implies differentiation of sin x is cos x dx is equal to dt. So cos x dx is there already in the structure, so I can write directly cos x dx can be replaced as dt. Now implies what happens to the problem? Cosecant square t dx cos x dx is dt, so dt direct one. What is integration of cosecant square x? Minus cot t plus c. Minus cot t is sin x plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right? One more example. Integration of sine inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Now this is the problem. So I'm considering like this. Let sine inverse x is equal to t. On differentiating this, 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. Now if you observe the figure, I just want to separate and show you integration of sine inverse x into 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. It looks like this. So when I replace sine inverse x as a t, this entire thing will be replaced by dt. So integration of t dt. Now what is integration of t? T square by 2 plus c. What is t here? We have supposed the sine inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right? One more problem. Example. Integration of sine of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Now in this problem, instead of x, tan inverse x is there, so we can consider that as t. Let tan inverse x is equal to t. Now differentiating tan inverse x, what is tan inverse x differentiation? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Now if I look into the problem given, I am splitting it, separating it for your understanding sake. Sine of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now tan inverse x can be replaced as t. This entire thing can be replaced as dt. So what happens? Sine t, this entire thing is becoming dt. What is the integration of sine t? Is minus cos t plus c. Now minus cos, what is t? We have supposed tan inverse x plus c. Hope you have understood the problem, right? Thank you very much.